Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nutted Tree Reviews, and today I am unboxing Dinnerly. Sorry that this is not my typical style, but I just received this and it is a cold box, so I wanted to open it immediately and share with you guys. So I have done a few sorts of videos, no, I should say blog posts like this, but never an unboxing, so I thought that would be really fun. Dinnerly is a really affordable meal delivery. A lot of times you can eat for $5 or less per person. So everything comes in these, like, it says, like, you know, chilled ingredients are in the white pouch. So you do have to open it right away. It came FedEx, I think FedEx. Yeah, I don't think it was UPS. Sorry, no, I'm blanking there. I'm gonna put like the pricing down below. I have to look it up. It's different for, you can do like 2-person, you can do for family. And then I'll also put the different, like, it's the cat, like the dietary, what different dietary options they have. All right, so anyway, let's get in here. I did see the 3 recipes that I was receiving. I don't remember them now. Isn't that terrible? They should be in here somewhere. All right, so this is a head of broccoli, clearly. And I have you guys on one of my photo poster boards. All right, then we have a red bell pepper. So this says Greenhouse Bell, product of Mexico. There we go. We've got a white onion. Sorry for the shaky quality. I'm clearly not ever going to be a surgeon. A lemon. Then it looks like we have some naan, which is super tasty. I don't remember what I'm going to be doing with that. Isn't that terrible? All right. Then it looks like we have a small zucchini here. Then there is a little packet of tahini. Ooh, I love tahini. And then it also has the date it was, it's good till. So it's good until May 22nd. Today is March 28th or something like that. Actually, it's probably the 27th, but whatever. Then we've got some noodles here. This is spaghetti. This also says it's good until 3/22/2019, so we could keep this for a long time. All right, and it does say that the chilled ingredients are in the white pouch, so we shall get to those in a moment. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. My daughter loves this stuff. Penny, like, we have like a bottle list just for Penny. She also loves Frank's Red Hot. She's 10. It's funny. She's like an old soul. All right, so anyway, here we go. Oh wait, no, we got some other stuff here. I'm gonna have to, if the recipes aren't in here, I will put them all down below. That's terrible. I thought that they'd be in here, so I didn't like freshen myself up on them. All right, so there's some Tampico here. I don't know what all that means, but clearly we're going to making some things a little more flavorful. Here is some garlic. Let's open our chilled pouch and see what is in here. So one mild interruption later, and we are on our way to opening our chilled products. All right, so we first pull out some bacon. This is from Land & Sky's 4 ounces. I love bacon, so I wish my camera would focus. Wouldn't that be nice? Sorry, guys. All right, and I love how they have it packaged. It's in like this. I've never seen anything quite like that. All right, then we've got, this is some Land & Sky chicken breast. It's boneless. We have 2 4-ounce breasts in here. And then we have, what's this? Grass-fed ground beef also from Land & Sky. Ooh, and there's some other cold products. Looks like some Parmesan cheese. And what's this one? I can't see it. Cabots, what is this? Vermont Sharp. Okay, then we've got, looks like one more down here. What is that? Is it some sort of a dough? I love the smell of dough. Isn't that weird? So there's that. So that is everything that came. Yep, that's it. Everything that came in our Dinnerly. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Dinnerly with my affiliate link. I will put down below all the recipes that I received as well, so you kind of have an idea of what all these ingredients went to, so you're not like, that was a silly unboxing. Anyway, and please do check out the review because I'll be cooking at least one of these recipes. That's what I usually do. So if you're interested in that, that'll be down there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!